Welcome. I gave myself a challenge to earn $1,000 using only AI tools, and today I'm walking you through exactly how I did it. For a while, I kept hearing people say AI can make you money, but nobody was showing any real proof. So I set a challenge. Earn $1,000 using AI tools only. That meant no filming, no coding, and no previous experience. I'll show you the exact breakdown, the workflows you can copy, and the simple systems that made this possible, focusing on 3 AI-powered services. I'll also share the one mistake that almost ruined this challenge on day 2, so you can avoid it and get to your first 1,000 even faster. My first $1,000 came from 3 simple AI-powered services. The very first thing I discovered is you don't need 20 different side hustles. You only need a few that you can get good at quickly. Stream 1, AI writing gigs, which brought in $375. I offered short-form writing like product descriptions and blog intros, using ChatGPT to generate and edit content quickly. Next was AI templates and visuals, earning $410. I created quote cards, ebook covers, and slide decks, using ChatGPT for structure and Canva for the look. The best part? Templates can be resold for multiple earnings. The final stream was AI short-form scripts, bringing in $215. Many creators need scripts for TikTok or YouTube Shorts. I used ChatGPT for hooks and CTAs, with some optional voiceover from 11 Labs. Now here's the crucial part of how I succeeded with these streams. I didn't make this money by being the best writer or designer, but by being the fastest communicator. Clients value clarity, confidence, and speed above all else. If I had to start again, I would implement these changes right away to optimize the process. First, I'd set up a Notion dashboard on day 1 to track orders, messages, and delivery dates for better organization. Second, I'd use Zapier to automate final file delivery so clients get instant access, improving the speed of service. And third, I would create a simple portfolio landing page earlier, something that shows examples of the exact services I sell to build confidence with new clients. Let's talk about how you can start your own AI income journey. Start with the income stream that best fits your personality. If you like words, go with writing. If you like visuals, go with templates. If you prefer fast, simple delivery, short-form scripts are the most efficient. Remember, you don't need to be an expert to start. You just need one workflow, one client, and one small win. My first order was only $12, but it proved the entire challenge was possible. If you want the exact prompts and templates I used to earn my first $1,000, download the free AI Money Starter Kit in the description. It's the perfect next step for your AI side hustle. And if you're new here, subscribe, because tomorrow's video breaks down 3 AI income streams you can start in under 10 minutes. Simple systems, real income.